Okay guys, we got a 96 Ford Explorer here. The tail light is broken and we're gonna replace it. As you can see, that's what it look like. So it's very simple and easy. So first of all, get yourself a new light. It's about 40 bucks. This is what it look like. And this is the passenger side. There's some numbers on this if you guys can see the numbers, but I'm sure you guys can find this. Bought this off of eBay. So you're gonna have a light that looks something like this, and let me just show you from the other side. You see, got two little screws. It has threads on them, so it's very simple. You got these little covers here. This is where your bulbs are gonna go, so you can access all that. So we're gonna bring the camera up close and personal, and should be very simple to do this. Let's take a look. So what we got here is two little screws. One here, it's a Phillips head. And it's gonna look something like that. And then you got another one here. If you want to change your bulbs, same position you're gonna be doing that at. Anyways, to change the bulb, you gotta remove this light. The whole assembly is gonna come off. We're gonna come towards a little bit this way. What we're gonna do now is just grab this light from down here. Just don't hurt yourself. And this thing just pops right open. And then what you wanna do here is you wanna twist this guy off. You wanna twist this guy off. And then you wanna twist this bottom one out. There you go. A lot of water in this baby. We're gonna put this away. So all these are submerged. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a moment to clean all these. I'm gonna get new bulbs. Make sure you put in new bulbs. So just stay focused here. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna take one bulb at a time. Keep them in order so you know what bulb it is. So this is a single. If it's a single flare bulb, make sure you put a single flare bulb in. So nice and clean. This is the double filament bulb here. That's the middle one. Then I'll go grab all the bulbs. If you put a wrong filament bulb, so if it's taking a double filament, make sure you put in a double filament, because if you put a single filament, you're gonna blow the fuse, okay? Because it's gonna jump the wires. There you go. 1, 2, 3. So now it's time for me to get some bulbs, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got me two bulbs, 3156 single flare filament, dual filament 3157. So if you don't know how to tell which one's single, or if you got 3 wires or more, that's gonna be dual filament. Okay, if you got 2 wires only, that will be a single filament. Okay, that's one way to tell. Okay, and you always want to test your light. So my hands are not greasy because I wash them, and anytime I work with bulbs, I do try to keep it as clean as possible. But if you touch these, clean them off. It could be your cloth, it could be your shirt, it could be anything. Make sure your shirt or anything is not greasy, and just do so. And make sure you check your bulbs once you're done with the job. And you take this, and all you do is turn them. And after that, make sure you check all your lights, turn on your headlights, press your brakes. Everything should be working, okay? Even though we put new bulbs and everything, doesn't mean they're gonna be working, okay? And after that, all you need to do is take this little guy, and you have to line everything, stick it in, bada bing, bada boom. Test it before you close it up, but I'm sure this one's working. And if I need to take it apart, I will take it apart. But other than that, we all good and set to go. There you have it. That's one, and here's 2. Bada bing, bada boom. And just turn on your headlights, press the brakes, reverse light. Anyway, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.